Hey guys, Bill Moscas, MarineMax in Stuart in Florida. Another sunny day, another cool video of a cool boat. Today we have the Sea Ray 310 SLX with outboards. Beautiful quantum blue color, two-tone, and a nice stripe, silver stripe in the middle. I'm going to point out the shore power right now because that's the easiest way to see it. That's the shore power outlet. So when you are docked, keeps batteries charged, and also you can plug in any 110 volt equipment. Coming towards the back, you will see we have the 300 V8s, plenty of power for this boat. They are joystick engines. I'll show you the joystick later. One of my favorite features on this boat is this little step or seat, whatever you want to do. Puts you right down the waterline. Great weight to enter the boat if you wish, but also you can sit over here and enjoy the water. Easy to put away. Doesn't stay in the water, so it stays clean. Very cool. Huge trim tabs, as you can tell. Keep the boat balanced. Your normal beach ladder is located right under here. Unlocks like that and pulls out. Nice handle right in front of the ladder. We can add, some customers have added additional handle over here, which I find very useful as well. So let's go on to the boat. Back on the transom, you can see that we have a new steering actuators. They're fully electrical, no conversion to mechanical, hydraulic, back to mechanical. It's electronic throughout. So that makes the operation of the engines a lot more efficient. I like this part. It extends the platform and helps you get from one side to the other. Beautiful sun lounge. You can have it as a seat or, you know, as a lounge. Cup holders, stereo controls, and chargers for your phones right over there. As we enter the boat, very conveniently placed is your main battery switches for house and the two motors. Freshwater wash right next to it, so when you're coming up on the boat, you can rinse off if you wish. Nice cooler or storage, whatever you want to use it for. Same right underneath here, underneath the step. Brush receptacle right over here. Sink. And this boat has a cooler bucket and a nice deep bucket over there for your bottles. You do have an option. Some boats would have a grill over here with an inverter system. When you're plugged in, you have 120 volt outlets right over there. So you can have it EV mounted over here, or your coffee pot, or microwave, whatever you wish. Very inviting social area back here. You can easily seat 5-6 people and some across of them. There is a table that stores underneath the electrically controlled hatch. Right over here is the switch, and this lifts up electrically, and the table hides right underneath it. There is storage, including cooler storage, underneath all this seating area. Nice powerful speaker system. Good storage right underneath here. You can put skis or boards underneath here, or your covers for the boat. Moving forward, 2 people helm seat with your binnacles, automatic trim, joystick, autopilot, auto heading, and skyhook, basic switching, and dual screens right above it. There is a bolster, so you can stand over here as well as sit, or sit higher on the bolster. Right across, another 2-person seat with the same features, but also this seat at the release of a lock mechanism right over here can turn around and join the social area back there. Another cool feature on this boat is the sunroof. It's manual, so you unlock it and then push it back, and you allow a little bit more sunshine into the cockpit area. You do have an enclosure on this boat. It's a camper enclosure. It encloses the front, but also the back, all the way back to the aft lounge. Air dome right over here, and your basic 120 and 12 volt switching is hiding behind this panel. The windshield closes. You do have seat for 4 people, 2 loungers and 2 regular seating, with armrests, cup holders, speaker system, and you have twin tables that can be right over here, so you can make it a separate dining area, or just drinks and appetizers. The boat does have a separate shower up in the front, and the electric windlass with a remote controller right underneath the hatch. Lastly, but very importantly, on the port side, you have the head with a vacuum flush system, sink, overboard discharge system, really everything you need. They're very nicely appointed. This concludes our short presentation of this 310 SLX by Sea Ray. I'm Bill Mascas in MarineMax in Stuart. If you have any questions, visit our website or give me a call, 203-808-5088. Thank you for watching and have a great day.